with a certain prospect, I learned how to connect with my prospects, and I learned how to connect and build relationships.
Mhm.
So if I can go back and say, what were the 3 things that I did? Those were the 3 things. Everybody knew whenever we would talk to an appraiser, a client, another agent, a potential seller, a potential joint venture partner, KMS, know my shit. They knew that I knew. And then I became a persuasive communicator, and then I connected with them. And that's how I was able to do it.
I love that. I'm actually gonna write KMS on my wall. Know my shit. I like that acronym. That's a good one. That's really good. No, like similar background, going from law enforcement, being in the military, for 12 years now. When I separated, I got into real estate too. I've always wanted to be in real estate, but there's so many different avenues to get into in real estate. So when I got out, I became a real estate agent. That's actually how we connected. I met you at one of the events